What is going on, guys? Today is the perfect day to actually start off with a new vlog. Well, first one actually. So you guys might be wondering what are you doing, or why am I even here? Why did I click on this video? Well, I'm gonna tell you. One, today is the first day where I'm actually gonna be starting on my mods for the FRS. I do drive an FRS. It's a 2016. It's an automatic, and that right there, I know if everybody hates it because I drive an auto, guess what? Suck it, because that's the only thing I have at the moment. And it was actually, I found it very cheap and a great deal, and honestly, in the color I actually really love, and yeah, only 6,000 miles. So anyways, so today's the day where I'm actually gonna be starting on FRS. So this right here, as you can see, I'm gonna show you in a bit. So today is gonna be an install on the coilovers and the fixing on the front bumper, because FRS and BRZ are very notoriously known for like the bumper sag, and I did already some modifications on the FRS prior to this video. I'll show you. Honestly, I was trying to do this vlog thing, started like a couple of weeks ago, and it wasn't going as planned, and it hit a bump in the road, but now I'm back on it, and honestly cannot be more happy about it. So I'm gonna get that done. I also got new side markers. The side markers I had, one of them is cracked really bad, and I just wanted the clear color, but I did get the amber LED lights just because the law, that's all you can say, right? So later on, like I said, I'm going to my friend Christian's. I'm gonna go to the shop to get my coilovers installed and see from there what's gonna be happening. And again, this is the first video, the first vlog of anything I'm doing right now for the FRS. So please tune in, and this is a journey, so it's gonna be bad. Again, this is my first vlog, so it's not gonna be perfect, it's not great. This is a start, so tune in for the ride. So let's get this bad boy open. I really want to see what's inside. Made in Japan, obviously. The TEINs, I got the TEIN Flex Z's just because, you know, obviously, like with the dampener, the height adjustment, I felt like it was more to my liking, and honestly, I can't wait to actually see how it looks and how it feels, especially when driving on today. So let's get this open. All right, let's see. Oh my god, damn. What is this? All right. Yep. There we go. 1, 2. There we go. All right. Now, damn. All right. Jesus. Got your basic paperwork here. Stickers. Show what that is. Guys, when it comes to car parts, I'm a huge noob. So take it easy on me. Okay? Don't know everything knows. Oh, yep. Oh, this is the key to adjust the heights. That, so definitely gonna use that. Awesome. Alright, so let's just put this back up in here. And close this up.
A few moments later.
Hey guys, so unfortunately we wouldn't be able to help out with the installation. I thought I was gonna at least like help out, you know, do some installs and stuff, but unfortunately not. And at the moment, they're just waiting. Sucks. I mean, I was at least hoping like I could like do something with the car, but he does work out of the dealership, so just sucks that I can't really do anything. But I just gotta wait here now and see what happens. So, and I decided today, we decided not to get the fenders pulled and rolled. I haven't got my new wheels yet, so I am gonna get wheels. Hopefully I'm gonna order them today, and the tires to go with it, and see where we go from there. So when I get those, then I come back here, get those pulled and rolled. So yeah, so just another couple hours waiting. Alright guys, I'm just gonna let you guys know right now, I'm a major coffee person, so this is only my second cup right now, so hopefully this keeps me going. They're actually working on the car right now, so I mean, you can't barely see it, but if I zoom in, there are cars right there. It's like literally right there. Yeah. So can't wait to see how that works. And I'm just gonna keep drinking my coffee. Thing is awesome. Freaking love this thing. Awesome coffee machine. All this stuff here. So now I just gotta wait with my coffee.
2 hours later.
Okay, so it is 9 o'clock. 9:01 actually, and they just shut off some of the lights, like in there. So, and I've been here since 5:30, 5:45. I didn't think it would take this long, but this is good. You know what? Thankfully, I had all that coffee because I have been moving everywhere. Seriously. And it was just the TV's on, and I don't know if you guys can hear it, and I was just listening to how there's supposed to be a severe thunderstorm here, and I'm just like, great. Alright, so, oh my god, that thing is long. Oh shit. Oh fuck. Damn. So now he's gonna do the alignment. Sweet. So guys, I just finished the coilovers. It looks amazing. Oh my god, did you see that? You saw that. Y'all saw that. Oh, I gotta get home before it gets crazy here, but looks great. I definitely need new wheels. I definitely need new wheels and tires. So, and he's driving it right now to make sure everything's good. There's no rubbing. I can't wait. Yo, I just can't wait. We just got into wheel alignment, everything. Don't really do camber. I'm sorry guys. That's just maybe in the future. We'll see. But I'm excited. So let's get to testing. Well guys, I'm gonna have to say this thing drives so smooth. Oh my gosh. I just went a couple over bumps already and I haven't even felt them. This is amazing. This is such wow. I have like no words, to be completely honest. And shout out to Christian and R-specgarage to helping me out. Definitely recommend them to anybody in the Northern Virginia area. Check him out. I'm gonna put a link to his Instagram page down below in the in the description information. Guys, I'm messing up right now what I gotta say, because I'm just taking it back of how I'm driving this thing. It is smooth like butter, guys. Like, I honestly don't even feel any bumps at all. Like, it's crazy. It's just crazy. So, letting you guys know right now, TEIN Flex Z's, greatest choice I've made. I definitely need the wheels and the tires to make this whole thing so much better than it is right now. But thank you again for guys watching the video. Hope you like, subscribe, and enjoy what's more to come. I mean, it's gonna be great. I'm excited at what's coming, and you know what? What the? Jesus. All right, repeat it. Oh, okay, cool. You have a busted taillight though, bro, and it's raining. All right, guys, have a great night. Enjoy. Thank you for watching the video. Deuce.